Xiao, welcome back to the Digital Marketing Software channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a topic that you may be very interested in. Who are doing business on the Instagram platform? How to interact with bulk Instagram accounts in large numbers. Support to increase trust. Increase organic engagement before using it to sell or run ads. This is the main interface of the software. The software will help you manage unlimited accounts. Before you run any of the features, you need to add a proxy. You can add static proxy or dynamic proxy. It supports changing IP addresses for each account to avoid the fact that too many accounts on the same IP address. That leads to abnormal behavior. Here you're finding yourself setting up the interactive script. You can see a lot of the same interactions as real users, like reading this message. Like posts, watch videos. In addition, you can interact according to the keywords to support how to build the right account file line, content industry products that you want to reach. Then you can save it. Finally, you will select the Instagram accounts that you have added. How to add these Instagram accounts I did in the previous video. Go to your channel and find out. Checkbook and why you both need to interact and feed accounts on a daily basis. Let your account interact just like a real user. For new accounts, it is easy to be locked if you spam or you run ads right away. If your account has a high trust, standard farming, the seeding or natural selling it out immediately for you. Well, in addition to this account interaction, you can set up an avatar, bio, or link. Set up the personal information of the account, and the software will also help you implement features like automated posting, automatic comment, or send automatic messages in bulk. Automatically follow the account. If you are interested in the software, please contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp to below the description. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next video.